Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of culinary elegance with the Staub Ceramic 2-piece 16-ounce Petite Pumpkin Cocotte Set in a stunning burnt orange. This charming set is perfect for adding a touch of autumnal flair to your kitchen, featuring a glass porcelain finish that seamlessly transitions from oven to tabletop, effortlessly complementing your existing Staub cast iron collections. With its impressive oven safety up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, you can confidently prepare a variety of dishes, knowing these cocottes are highly scratch-resistant and built to withstand the rigors of your kitchen. Whether you're baking, broiling, or storing leftovers in the freezer, these versatile cocottes have you covered. Their unique pumpkin design not only enhances your culinary creations but also serves as a conversation starter at any gathering. Elevate your cooking and presentation with this exquisite set, perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. Thanks for joining us, and happy cooking with Staub. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.